Apple just unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and honestly, it feels less like a phone and more like a piece of the future. From its bezel-less infinity display to the AI-powered camera system, this is Apple's boldest step yet. But is it really worth the hype, or is it just another overpriced status symbol? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The features, the design, the performance, and of course, whether it's worth your money. Let's start with what you'll notice first, the design. Apple has finally gone completely bezel-less. No notch, no punch hole, no distractions. Just pure, edge-to-edge display. They're calling it the Infinity Display, and when you hold it, it honestly feels like you're holding nothing but glowing glass. And durability? Apple introduced a brand new nano-shield build glass technology that's reportedly 4 times stronger than ceramic shield. They even claim it can survive a 2-meter drop onto concrete without shattering. Now let's talk refresh rate. Apple has taken promotion to the next level with a 240 Hz adaptive refresh display. That's smoother than most high-end gaming monitors, making scrolling, gaming, and animations buttery smooth. And here's a fun detail. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is slightly thinner and lighter than the 16 Pro Max, despite packing more power and a bigger battery. That's classic Apple engineering. Now power users. This is where things get interesting. Inside, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on the A19 Bionic chip. Apple says it's not just the fastest smartphone processor, it's the fastest mobile chip in the world. Early benchmarks show it outperforming the latest M2 laptops in certain tasks. What does that mean in real life? Gaming at console-level graphics, editing 8K video on the fly, seamless multitasking, and AI-driven apps running without a hiccup. And here's the kicker: Apple managed to make it 40% more energy efficient, which ties directly into the next big upgrade. Battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max now boasts 36 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's nearly 2 full days of heavy use, gaming, streaming, recording, editing without plugging in and charging. Say goodbye to long waits. With MagSafe Ultra charging, you can hit 80% in just 15 minutes. Imagine waking up late, charging your phone while you brush your teeth, and heading out with nearly a full battery. That's a real lifestyle upgrade. Now, let's move on to what Apple fans always obsess over: the camera. iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a quad-lens camera system, powered by AI. And this isn't just marketing. Apple integrated on-device machine learning to process every single shot in real-time. Low-light photos almost look like daylight. Portraits razor sharp with stunning background blur. Video 8K cinematic mode with real-time editing tools. And here's something straight out of sci-fi. AI can now automatically detect and remove unwanted objects or photobombers from your shots. Snap a picture at a crowded beach, and the phone can clean it up like magic. Apple also introduced AI Video Director mode, where the phone suggests different angles and edits your video automatically to make it look professional. That's going to be huge for vloggers and creators. The iPhone 17 Pro Max ships with iOS 19. And this version of iOS is all about AI. Siri is now more natural, context-aware, and personalized. It remembers your preferences, your routines, and even your tone. Real-time call translation means you can speak in English, and the other person hears it in their language instantly. The new Apple Vision integration means your iPhone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,499 for the base model, going all the way up to $2,199 for the 2 TB storage variant. That makes it the most expensive iPhone ever. So the real question is, should you buy it? If you're rocking an iPhone 14 or earlier, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a massive leap forward in design, performance, and camera tech. But if you already own the iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max, The upgrades are less dramatic. You'll have to decide if the AI features and new display justify the price. So, there you have it, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in all its glory. Bezel-less design, insane performance, aboured everything, and a price tag that might make your wallet cry. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the best smartphone I've ever made? Or is Apple just selling hype at a premium? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your tech-loving friends, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and leaks. And if you're thinking of buying one, I've linked the best deals and pre-order options down below. Check them out before they sell out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.